This is where I've ended up this morning. We've had a beautiful pea soup of a morning and I've woken up to thick fog, although down here at the creek there's not much sign of it. But I want to try and get a few shots anyway, so this is where we're at. If I get any good photos, you'll see them in the video. As you can see, the fog's starting to lift. I turn the phone up to the sky. You see it's starting to get a little bit brighter. But we'll give it a go. I'll try and take some low down first. There's some beautiful green moss on some of these rocks, so we'll just see if we can try and get some of that in the shot. I've been wanting to stop and photograph these particular three trees for a long time now, but I knew that I needed either cloud or a bit of fog, and by the time I got here this morning, some of the fog had burnt off, but the three trees still look fantastic. So I've taken some with my telephoto lens, the 70 to 200, so we'll see how they turn out back in the studio. Talk to you soon. How stunning is this place? And right on the main road, as you can hear by the traffic. I'm going to head off into Yarra Glen, because when you come into the hill overlooking Yarra Glen, I'll be able to see how much fog there is. So that'll give me an idea if there's any decent spots to take any more foggy photos today. It's starting to burn off in areas, as you can see outside the window where those three trees were. So we'll drive into Yarra Glen and have a look and see how we go. Hope you're having an awesome day. So check this out, folks. This is the view driving down into Yarra Glen. Check out those hills in the background and that blanket of fog. How incredible. It might actually be too thick for even photos for me, but we'll go and have a look and see what happens.